yourself wander, let your spirit find the way, and reach for the power from within. Yeah. You've got no reason to let the people keep you down. Stand up and fight for what you are. 'Cause your biggest challenge is the one that lies within yourself. Know what you're fighting for. Hold on to the vision in your eyes. Keep the fire burning bright. Got to let them realize only with this power can you rise. Hold on to that vision in your eyes. Never surrender.